Okay, here we are with Jake. And Jake, tell me a life story of yours.
Alright, so one day I decided I was going to go off to my grandmom's house, and so I started adventuring, and I was strolling along, and then... What? You're laughing at me!
Because it's so fucking adorable.
So, I was just strolling along, and I took a wrong turn, and I ended up getting really lost. So, I ended up just wandering all over the city for about, like, 5 hours or so, and the sun went down, and it was dark, and I was scared, and I didn't have a phone, and then I ended up finding a payphone, and I was, like crying to people, like, let me use money so I can call my mom. And then so I ended up calling her, and it was like midnight when she actually found me, and it was really scary for me, and I'm afraid to be out in dark places by myself now.
Aww.